Legends of Learning presents the Fraction Drones Delivery Game. This is a math game that makes learning about plotting fractional numbers on a number line fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, help Emma deliver packages to become an ace pilot of fraction drones. Control these cute little drones while learning how to plot fractions on a number line.
This battery is...
Use the mouse to click on different buttons to change the numbers to display the correct fractions to answer the math questions.
For today.
Deliver packages using drones. Start with getting drones ready for delivery by inserting the right components for the drones to be ready for flight.
Let's move to our target location.
Use the arrow keys to move the drones left or right to deliver packages.
Packages delivered.
Then use the number line to deliver packages to the right location using your knowledge of math. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.